Hi stylers, welcome back to another video, and I'm excited for this video because we are going to a store that we have never visited before. This store is All That Matters. We're going to check out their home decor and organization items. It's one of those unpopular, underrated stores that I didn't mention in my unpopular video. So we're just going there to check out and see, and I'm taking you along with me. If you're new here, I'm Renee and I share everything in home decor and DIY each week. So let's head on down to All That Matters and check out what they have. When it comes to affordable decor pieces such as your organizational pieces, your kitchen accessories and so on, your bathroom organizers, All That Matters is one of those places to be. So here I am in their organizational section for bathroom and other areas of the home, and I'm just showing you some of the simple things that you can use to change the look of your small rental space. So here they have some soap dispensers that you can use to change the look of your bathroom, just to upgrade it. They have these lovely organizers. These are some bottle organizers. They have some organizing tray here as well that you can use in your drawer. These can use to organize like your underwears, your bras, other smaller pieces and so on, and those start at $600. Over here they have these that you can use into your utensils. Some persons use them in their fridge as well. And if you're looking for some small organizational pieces, these are some that you can come on and select. I think I need a few here as well because I'll be organizing my bedside table drawer, and I just need a few organization for that as well. So guess what? If you're looking for great organization pieces that can blend in into your home decor, these are some clear ones that you can come on and get here at All That Matters. They also have organizers for your kitchen drawer, and this one is for $1,015. So guess what? Come on and get your organizers for any room in the home. These are some laundry basket. I'll get back to this as well, but I saw something above it that I have to show you. This is a storage shelf that can go above your washing machine, and this is only $2,560. So you can put your iron, your laundry powders and so on it. These are some smaller size fabric basket that you can come on and get. Some is for $2,000, some is for $1,800. So they have different price range. This one is for $2,300. So they have different color, different size and different styles. This is a container for $850, and it's a good size container. So you see, All That Matters is where you come when you want organization for the space. These are $865, and these can store anything. It can store your fruits, your vegetable. If you're organizing something in the fridge, this right here is a great organizer as well, and this one is only $570. So this is also great for your potatoes and so on, and that one is $1,015. They have bathroom shelves as well for your shower. These are great colors as well. They have the cabinet organizer, $1,020. So guys, as I mentioned, any color scheme you're working with, $2,200 for this shower caddy. Come on and get something here. It's one of those places where you can just come and get different size items just to organize your space. And since I mentioned organizers, let's head on over to the towel area. Over this towel section, if you're looking for towels and so on to decorate your bathroom or just to have for when guests come over, they have rugs, different size face towels and so on, starting at $490. And the quality is so, oh my gosh, the quality is so nice. So you can come on, get your large towel, your face towel, your rugs. These are great color, whatever color scheme you're working with. The large towels are for $2,100. So guys, come on and grab your towels here. Over this section, they have like ottomans in different size, and they have fans and other accessories that you can come on and get for your bathroom. Heading into the kitchen section now, they have different types of cookware. They have ovenware, they have pans, they have casserole dish. Like this right here is $8,600, $2,600. You can get a rice pot, $2,400 up. And when it comes to brand as well, they have different brand. They have the Bellingham brand. I glimpse it somewhere. Soon head on to that section. You can come on and get them here. So if you're purchasing something for your new home, you're moving out of your family home and you want to buy some pots and pan and baking items, come on over and get it here at All That Matters. They have pots for your rice, and some persons purchase these for decoration, like the colored potatoes can decorate your kitchen with it as well. These are some Bellingham pot as well that you can come on and get. I'm not sure if that's how the name pronounced, guys. Please correct me if that's how the name pronounced, but you know I'm an English person, so I talk it how I see it. So you can get your frying pan, and these are non-stick. So they have so many things you can purchase as a gift. I love my Chinese cooking, and I see a wok that I think I need to get. I have one currently now that I think I need to change, but this wok, oh my god, it is so heavy duty and the quality is so nice. They have different shelving, different bins, they have laundry baskets. Gosh, you guys need to hurry up, come on over to All That Matters. These are some metal organizers as well that you can use for the space, and they have a 3-piece basket here as well that you can get. This can organize different section in the kitchen, and this is a 3-piece bathroom set as well for $9,800. Whoa, this is a cake container as well, $1,225. If you want towels just to decorate your kitchen, if these are too colorful for you, they have different type as well. They have this floor shoe stand. Oh, I'm so excited here. If I have money, I would have spent up all night in here already. And that is why, guys, you can just come on, browse, and then you know what you can get. This is for $700, this cutlery basket. So come on over. You can browse, come and get something, but just to look and so on, and then you can say, oh, All That Matters is a place to go to get those type of organizations. They have these dish drainers as well. They have the rack. They have different kitchen colors and type. They have different brands such as the KitchenAid brand as well. So you can notice that they have so many styles here that you can choose from. I love to shop at All That Matters. As I said, it's one of those places here in Jamaica. If you see something advertised overseas or just come out, if you check All That Matters, they might have it. Unlike other stores, you'd have to wait until maybe the item go to style, then they provide it, but you can come on and get it here. If you're looking for picture frames to put a new picture in, or just to decorate your space, to purchase as a gift for someone, they have picture frames here. They have picture frame here as well. And I'll be heading upstairs now where they have like the bedding and the curtain section. So let's head on upstairs. So this is what upstairs look like. You can get all different type of curtain, bedding, cushions, pillow, sheer curtain, blackout curtain, all different type of color. So if you want to change the look of your bedroom now, come to All That Matters. This is a queen 9-piece bed set that you can get, and they have neutral colors. They have different colors. This is a cushion filler for $870. You can get a cushion cover and put over that just to decorate your space. They have different type color curtains, as I mentioned, that you can choose from, and just different pattern cushions, different styles. They have the fur type, guys. No, you have to come at All That Matters once if you never ever get the chance. So as you can see, different color sheets at this section. You can get plain sheet, solid color as I mentioned. You can get pattern sheet. Oh, let's head on around to the mat area. They have a whole shelf here where you can get like a kitchen mat, bath mat. You can get mattress covers, you can get pillowcase. So there are so many things that they have dust ruffle for your bed. So you can get these dust ruffles in twin, queen, king, whatever size you wish. You can get 2-piece bath mat, 3-piece bath mat. Some of them come with shower curtains as well. And if you're looking for era rugs, here are some that you can select from as well. I see some as low as 20,000, 18,000. They have different color, different fabric type, different fur. So come on and check them out. Over this section as well, they have more mats. They have solid mats, door mats, fur mats, bathroom mats, kitchen mats. So as I said, you can come on and grab anything. And I'll be going back downstairs again just to show you some of the kitchen items that they have, such as the casserole dishes and so on. So this is what upstairs is like. So let's head on downstairs back again and check out what they have. Actually, when I was going downstairs, that was a bin that they sell out curtains and so on. So downstairs is where you can get like your spice jars, your containers, your casserole dish. This is a 3-piece glass set here that you can get. This is like a canister set. So they have the 4-piece canister set as well. So they have them in different colors, as you can see. So if you're working with a color scheme, I'm just going very fast now because something happened and I just have to leave very quickly. So I'm just giving you a quick run through right now. So these are some casserole dishes that you can get, some basins, they have pans, they have all different type of utensils, knives, forks, spoon. They have them in the gold design now. They have regular silverware. They have your spice jar, your milk jar. So guys, as I mentioned, all that matters is one-stop shop for your home items. So regular bottles for the children to go off to school, so many items. So all your spatula, your egg lifter, your noodle lifter, everything you can think of is here at All That Matters. And if you don't see it, you can ask them. They will tell you about them. This is like a little lantern. This is a little lantern set that you can come on and get as well. And they have this diffuser. They have the candle, the light up candle. Guys, you know diffuser is needed in the home. If you don't have one, come to All That Matters and you can get one. So thank you again for watching this video. I have to leave very quickly. Love you guys. See you on the next video. Please remember to like, share and subscribe. Hit that notification bell so that you get notified each time I upload a video.